I made a circle cutting jig for the router before, but it was really designed for bigger circles. However, I've got a couple of smaller radiuses that I need to cut, and I wanted something to work with a small cordless router. Looking at the actual base of the tool, I saw that it has this knob for some sort of accessory that I probably threw away when I bought the tool. It might have actually been handy for doing circles with. Anyway, I unscrew the knob. I know this is metric, so I have to tap it out to match the rod that I have. Now I need to make something simple to go on the end for the pivot point. And for that, I'm just going to use a piece of solid hardwood, and then I'm going to thin the end so it'll actually extend in towards the bit a bit further. And I'm going to do that on my miter saw. I've got the depth of cut stop in place and set to around 1/4 inch. With that notch cut, I can cut it off to length and then bring it over to my drill press where I need to drill 2 holes, a 1/4 inch one for the threaded rod and a 1/8 inch one for the pivot point. And for the pivot point, I'm actually going to use the shaft end of the drill bit and glue that in there with epoxy after cutting it off. And then I gave the epoxy about a half an hour to dry, and I put it onto the threaded rod on the router. And the only thing left to do is to try it out and see how it works.